Alright, YouTubers, it's time to cook, and look what I got. This is a Hamilton Beach induction cooktop that I got for $10 at the thrift store in Ontonagon. The New Wave can set an exact temperature. This has low, medium, high. I think that's a pretty amazing deal I got there. And I tested it in the store, and it worked. This is going to be the first time I'm testing it to cook on. And I looked these up. I think they're like 65, 70 bucks. All right. So we'll take the $10 sticker off. It was $10. Woohoo! And no one then. All right. So we're going to plug it in. I'm going to turn it on. Start. Okay, see the dot now. Medium. I'll start it. Look, it's working. What it wants now is a pan. It's saying pan. Here's a pan. It likes the pan. I'm going to do it low. And what I'm going to cook now is a recipe called MOSH, given to me by a friend of mine, another RVer, and it is kind of what you think it is. I got hamburger here, and I'm in Munising. Hamburger's a little pricey here. It was a pound, $5.54 a pound, but with your little card, it was still $4.87. So to me, that's kind of pricey for hamburger. I'm gonna start the hamburger. We're gonna let the hamburger cook. All right, so break the hamburger up. And this is one of those, I think a lot of people have meals like this where it's just became a recipe when somebody just threw a bunch of stuff in a pan. And I mean no disrespect to my friend, because it's friggin' great. It's simple, it's quick, it's easy. And did I need to buy this other induction cooktop, this Hamilton Beach one? No. But it was 10 bucks, and I had to buy it. And I have mine with me, my New Wave that I always use. And I've never had a problem with the New Wave one, but there's a piece that rattles around in there. So when I saw this for 10 bucks, I figured, all right, I'll get it. And it's actually a little bit smaller. So we'll see which one I end up using more. Turn it up one. Bing! Just below medium. All right, and I'm going to let that hamburger brown. Then we'll show you what else gets cooked. All right, I put the this cover thing up to protect my blinds, mainly from steam. It likes the pan. Works great. A wonderful deal at $10, huh? I might bring the rain, but I also get lucky and bring some deals along. Alright, it's still browning. I mean, there's nothing to see, but it's browning. Let me get some of the grease out. This is how I like to do it. Tilt the pan and dip the paper towel in instead of my common thing of pouring grease every damn where when I try to pour it out of a pan. Scoop that out into the trash. Alright, we're closing in on the next step, but we're not quite there yet. Alright, we're getting the last of the grease out of there. Quite a bit of grease out. Alright, time for the next step on this MOSH. Not sure where the name came from. Chili mix. Tex-Mex. Whole package of it in there. I gotta make it a little bit mine and put some sriracha in. Not a lot, just to give it a little bit more. Just to give it a little garlic flavor. Alright. Mix that all up. Ooh, that smells good. Remember, bang it on the handle, not the side of the pan. The Copper Chef pans are really thin. Next in goes corn. I was told not to drain it, just to dump it straight in. Not what I would normally do, but I can follow directions. In goes the corn. Stir the corn around in there. Next in goes a can of black beans. There's the black beans in. Stir the black beans around. Next is a can of diced tomatoes with lime juice and cilantro. I was told to use Rotel, that it makes a difference. So again, I'm one who can pay attention and follow instructions. And even though this is diced tomatoes and I have a tomato issue, it didn't bother me in this. It was kind of like salsa, you know. I can do it. It's kind of weird. I'm kind of weird, I guess. Mix that around. Next is a can of chili fixins by Rotel. Seasoned diced tomatoes and green chilies. Ready for your chili dishes. And in that goes. Now we'll mix that around. And that's pretty much it. And now it's just going to simmer. I'm going to turn it up to medium. Let it simmer. We'll come back. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Is there a chance it looks like something some of you have made? Very similar? I don't know. I bet you there is that chance. I'm going to turn it down to low, because what's going with it isn't ready yet. Doesn't it look good? I think it looks good. And I had it, and it tastes really good. So, just going to let it simmer. Alright, flyover. That's MOSH. Going to give it a try. Hold on a second. Oh yeah. Quick and easy like I told you. Awesome stuff. Have a great and wonderful day. There's pasta. There's a hamburger. There's grated cheese on top. And all the ingredients that were in it. Awesome stuff. Quick and easy in your RV. You can even use paper bowls if you want. Alright, now have a great and wonderful day.